our festival. So come along, Daddy. Start it.
Okay, guys, so we make the fried fish already, and now it's time for us to make that good Jamaican, awesome, delicious
festival.
There we go, festival. So here we are, guys, with some ingredients, some basic stuff, very easy recipe. First, we have some vanilla. You're gonna need some vanilla, some baking powder, some salt, some sugar, some brown sugar. Make sure you use the brown sugar. Don't use the white sugar. It's brown sugar. Then you got oil. You need to go deep fry your festival. And then you need some cornmeal over here, and we have some flour over here. And we do have an egg, and we have some measuring cups here so we can measure some of our stuff. And then we have a bin, bowl, or whatever. We're gonna mix the flour in here. So let's get started. First thing, guys, we're gonna put in. It says a cup and a half. That's 1 cup here. We're gonna put about 2 cups in there. Okay. We want a little bit more festival, so put about 2 cups. Next thing we want, guys, we want about, how many of this again? Half cup?
Yep, half cup of cornmeal.
And this is a half a cup. Here it is, guys. This is a half a cup. Put a half a cup of cornmeal in there.
Now we're adding in 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. This is a tablespoon here. 2. And 3. We're adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we want to use about half a teaspoon of table salt. It's about half, right? Okay. Now we want to beat an egg into our mixture, so we're getting ready to beat our egg now. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're mixing all our ingredients together. Next step is to add water as needed. So after we've mixed in all our dough, now we want to knead it with our hands.
Okay, guys, if you're making your festival and it get a little soft, where you make it into a ball, you can add a little bit more cornmeal so you can get into a more firm texture. So just add a little bit more cornmeal if you need to, but only if you need to, guys.
Welcome back, guys. We have about 5 festival here already prepared, 6 now. Show us how to knead our festival.
Okay, guys, so first, after you make the dough, you just want to make it like this. After you finish making it, just break it off, piece like this, and you can roll it into like a ball. Go a little slower for you guys. And then once you have it like this, you're going to turn it the other way, and you're going to roll it across your fingers like this.
And that's how you make festival, guys.
You see? Comes out just like that. Okay, guys, this is the main event. We got a Scotch bonnet pepper in the oil. It's getting hot.
These have been removed, and now we're adding in our first festival.
Be careful, guys, when you put festival in the pot. Don't make your hands get in the oil.
Place it gently. Don't just drop it in, you know.
You don't want to
How it splash.
Yes. Be safe in the kitchen. And you can deep fry these as well. I don't have a deep fryer.
Or air fryer, I think.
An air fryer. Yes, I just gotta work with what I have. Gotta put them in like this. Having them deep fry is the right way.
We're turning our festival. That's why you don't use your hands. Practice kitchen safety, guys. We are now removing our festival from the fire. Look how golden brown they are, guys. This is how they're supposed to look. Got a tray over here. taking them out the pot.
Yes, guys, we are at the end and the finish line of cooking our delicious Jamaican festivals along with our Jamaican butterfish. It's all complete to a complete end now, guys. I want to show you what the after products look like. This is what it looks like. So over here, as you can see, we have our festival. They're nice golden brown, just like what we've been expecting. Looking delicious, guys. Over here we have some vegetables just steamed down. We have some carrots. All the vegetables we cut up earlier is right here, the bell pepper, everything. And last but not least, we have our fish. This is our butterfish, fried golden brown nicely with some onions on top. So it's time for us to eat. Okay, guys, thank you for watching BlakeWrTv. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that notification bell to get the notification and hit that subscribe button, guys. Stay with us, becomes a family of the show, become an active participant in the show, guys. Subscription is free. Hit that subscription so you can get our weekly tutorial of our new videos. When we upload new videos every week, we upload 2 cooking videos with tutorials, step by step, easy to do process, do it yourself, cook out your house, eat what you cook what you eat, stay healthy. Until then, guys, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching BlakeWrTv. Peace, one love.